Hello and happy Friday. Join us as we bring you the latest on the markets today. Here are today's financial headlines.
Intel dropped by 2% to $44.53 on Thursday, as weak demand and cautious semiconductor outlooks overshadowed optimism about its restructuring efforts. The UK stock market index fell 0.7% on Thursday, as rising geopolitical tensions in the Middle East pushed oil prices higher and lifted perceived inflation risks. Gold hovered around $5,000 per ounce on Friday, holding a two-day gain, as traders weighed geopolitical risks alongside the Federal Reserve's policy outlook. The New Zealand dollar weakened to around 59 cents, hitting a four-week low, pressured by fading expectations of a near-term rate hike. Bitcoin rose to around $68,000 this Friday, fueled by slowing ETF outflows and stronger macro support, which kept buying momentum alive. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 1:30 p.m., the core price index in the U.S. is expected to increase, after reaching 0.2% in November. At 1:30 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the personal income of December, following 0.3% in November. Monday's major economic events. At 9 a.m., Germany to release the Business Climate Index for February, following 87.6 in January. At 3 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the factory orders of December, following 2.7% in November.
And that's it for this week's Market News Roundup presented by Skyriss. Thanks for joining us, and see you again next week as we bring you the latest market news and insights. We wish you a great weekend.